In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable dark mode on Bluesky. This enhances user experience by reducing eye strain, particularly in low-light environments, and improving accessibility for individuals with light sensitivity. To do this, simply head to Bluesky. On your profile page, tap onto these three lines. Select Settings. You will want to head to Appearance. Now to enable dark mode, just tap on Dark. You can either make it dim or totally dark. You can also select right here on System to pair with your phone system settings. This also extends battery life on OLED or AMOLED devices, as dark pixels consume less power than bright ones. Well, that's how easy it is to enable dark mode on Bluesky. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.